Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stampin' Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And today I want to show you a great technique. I'm going to bring you up a little. Using the potted succulent dies, mainly this one. You could use almost any dies, the detailed dies that we have. We've got so many of them, the rose one, stuff like that, the layers. I just want to show you how to make two from one. Now I've already cut this out because you don't want to see me struggling with the Big Shot because of my hand, but so I've already cut one out. Now I want to show you how you can color this and make two cards out of one. So I am just layering this on a piece of basic white, and I am just putting it down, holding it down, and you square it up and hold it down with some washi tape, okay? I'm going to be using some blending brushes, some of our blending brushes. Now you can use any color you want. I'm going to be using Granny Apple Green, Daffodil Delight, and Coastal Cabana. Okay? But if you want to use whatever colors you want, go right ahead. This one didn't get there. Sometimes you just may want to just tape it down to the your scrap or your grid paper or whatever you got. Now I'm going to use, of course, I'm going to start out by using my Daffodil Delight and a blending brush, and I am just going to blend a little Daffodil Delight towards the center of this. And you can go around. You can just go like this. However dark you want to do it. However light. If you want to do it in stripes, do it in stripes. I'm going to do the Granny Apple Green next. Where's my greens? And I'm just going to go on the outside of that. Just circling around. And again, if you want to do an up and down or stripes, vertical, horizontal, you can do whatever you want. If you want to use more than 3 colors, go right ahead. If you want to use just one color, you can also do this sponging. You don't need the blending brushes. You can use our sponges or our sponge daubers. Okay, then I am going to use Coastal Cabana, Blue, and you can go over those colors and blend them in. That's the reason I put the green in the middle, because blue and yellow make green. So it is just a common coloring that you want. And I do it off. So I get the frame. Now you can sit there and you can cut this out when you go to put it on if you want. Cut the frame off. Now I have tried with my hand, I just got it out of the splint. I have tried to put adhesive, our adhesive sheets on the back of this and then cut it out and then put it on. But the adhesive sheet pulled off and it got stuck, so it really didn't do what I wanted it to do. So that's why I use, to attach this, I'm going to use the liquid glue on our silicone sheet, on our silicone mat. And then you just may want to take the washi tape off, pull it back, oops, get some color over that. And then what I do, I'll show you here, just let me take this one off. Then I am just going to pull this off, and you've got this. I cut this down, and I layer it on coordinating coloring cardstock. I would probably layer this on Daffodil Delight and put it on a Coastal Cabana. And I will be making this on There's a Card Thursday, so you can see how I'll put this together. But you've got this, and then you've got this one also for a sheet. And this is what I would do with this one. I put it on like soft seafoam. Anyhow, please follow me on YouTube. I would appreciate it if you would buy your Stampin' Up products from me. You've got the link down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.